Whoa. Get this, I'm the dodo bird, and did you know I was wiped out in less than years? Get this, whoa, I was unafraid of humans with no natural predators on my amazing island home, did you know? Whoa, get this, did you know I went extinct in 80 years, imagine that, 100% of my kind totally gone now. Whoa, get this, I'm a dodo, imagine that, my kind was perfectly adapted yet still went extinct somehow amazingly fast always. Whoa, get this, I'm a dodo bird, and did you know I'm totally extinct already somehow?